Hey guys, got out here for a little more practice today with the racers. I changed a couple of settings on my Vanillite racer, so I wanted to see how those did. Still tweaking things. Blue Line FPV gave me a couple of tips on some settings, so trying that out, and seems like I really like it. I've run one pack through it so far, and gonna run another one. May throw up a little DVR on that if looks like it's worth putting up. But yeah, it's really helped me out. I really like them. It seems like it's tightened things up. So see how it goes. It's kind of windy out here, but need to get a little more practice in. Really trying to tighten these turns up. It seems like I blow my turns out a little bit too much. So working on that. But it's nice just to get out here for a couple of packs. It's really cooled off. It's a lot colder out here, so I never do very well when my hands are real cold. But it's just nice to get out. I hope everyone else is still doing all right and getting out and getting a little bit of exercise, getting a little bit of sunshine. I know it's tough on everybody, but I just want to say that I'm thinking about all y'all and keeping y'all in my prayers. So hopefully everybody will do all right through this. But maybe y'all get a little bit of something out of these videos, but I enjoy making them. So y'all take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.